What's up, traders? Welcome to Currency Wealth Exchange. Now, without wasting time, today, yes, last week we gave you this. This was the CPI, and it came out like this. So it distracted many newbie traders who are somehow who were somehow hoping that if the CPI prints a stronger data, the market will fly straight down like this, but it did not happen. This was not the case. So what happened is the fact that this was not enough. There were more buyers here than there were sellers from this point. Hence, I gave a signal of buy. And remember, I did mention that no matter the printing of the CPI, we are not here to buy this CPI data. We will only be looking for a buying opportunities. So even if CPI had came and retested and came like this, will be the second place for us where we would still look for buying opportunities. But the first setup did hold, as this was our broken uh, resistance which turned support and it held. Remember, we had two waves here. This was A and this was B. Remember that. If you do not remember what I'm talking about, please go to the previous video. Go check what I said about this signal before it materialized. And I said that we had to break this low so that we can completely say this is C, and we did break it, and this was our C ABC wave level, and this would be a strong bias to the upside. Now, if you missed this, go and watch the previous video. If you missed this signal, go and watch the previous video and make sure you understand what is going on. Now, with this, everybody who is not registered with us, who are still trying us out and realizing that we are consistent, we are not only showing you these videos on YouTube and only on WhatsApp, but we are also consistent with our winning streak. And our most important thing is logical thinking, because in trading you have to use logic rather than emotion. So without wasting further time, if you want to get this, because you will only get the euro and the dollar and get the pound and the dollar as the free signals that you will get only if you are not registered with us. But if you're registered with us, you get all kinds of signals, from indexes to indices to stocks and everything. Only if you are registered with us, we can still give you this kind of analysis and this kind of setups to make sure that everything that you are doing right from now on until the end of your career of trading will be profitable. Now, without wasting further time, let me show you again what you should expect. After this signal, we're still having this. Now, what I'm expecting is another pullback to retest this hourly demand. Do you see? I've written this one. The hourly demand, the small orange line here is our hourly demand zone. Now, this means that if the market reaches this level, we are at the place whereby there will be demand to continue taking this wave again to the top side of this and break and make a new high. This is where we will take our profit. If you are in the VIP group, we already given you a profit, but if you're not in the group, we will give you a signal like this with short take profit. We've already given take profit 1 here. We have already given take profit 2 here. We will be take profit 3 here. Now, if you have missed this, please make sure you register under the partner link that we send under this video. Register under that partner link. After the registration of your account under this partner link, fund with $30. After funding with $30, contact us and make sure that you get all the signals that you want from us and you will receive unlimited signals from us. Now, let's go over to the pound and the dollar without wasting your time. Now, with the pound and the dollar, just like the euro and the dollar, this is correlation. Remember, you have to trade correlation if you're going to make money. If you missed this, make sure you register and you watch the last part of the video. There are videos that we upload on YouTube. Watch the last part of the video. It will make sense to you. Now, remember, on the euro dollar, we had this wave one here, which was our A. I did mention this. This is A. This is wave B. And this is wave C. Now, after this wave C, I did give a signal last week about this being potentially the bias of last week from Thursday, Friday, and going into this week, obviously. Now, if you missed this and if you think this was a great move, you could have doubled your account or tripled your account, because this is 1:8 or 1:9 if you am not mistaken here. I will check on the on our private trading group, uh, trading view group, so that you can understand how big this was. This is a good move. This is a good move. Now, what to expect, just like the last week's analysis, what to expect from now on. Now I'm expecting, maybe if we do not break here, remember, since from last week I've been emphasizing the fact that pound is one of the strongest currency pairs on the market, according to our currency strength meter. So without wasting further time, again, what I'm expecting is a little bit of a pullback here. If we do break above, we to continue up. But if we do not, we just break this hourly break of structure, then we come back to our hourly demand, because this demand zone is measured in hours. It is a 5-hour demand. Then after retesting like this, we are still expecting to go up. Any setups that lead us to sell this signal, we will not take. We are not interested in taking any of the selling opportunities that we will be seeing on the pound dollar and the euro dollar this week. We will only be focusing on buying those pairs, as the dollar is weak and we are more interested in selling the dollar because of inflation in um, the US. And the most important part is the interest rate coming out this week. So if you are not in it and you don't want to trade around the news or to trade with the news, I'm expecting the dollar to start cutting rates. I don't know whether by 25 points or 50 points, but either way, I'm expecting the dollar to continue down. If they cut by 25 points, it will be bearish, but not that bearish. It will have a shortening. But if they cut by 50 points, it will be one of those strong sells in the dollar. No matter how much we have sold the dollar, we will continue selling it hard. So if you don't understand the fundamentals of this, make sure you register under the partner link that we leave there with Exness. And then after you've registered with the partner link, go straight to WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is 068 0605332. I repeat, 068 0605332. After you have WhatsApped us and shown us that you have funded $30 and you have registered under our IB link, we will check you with your email. And then after you have funded, then everything will start receiving trading signals of your choice, whether you want gold, silver, stocks, you name them, all, even currencies. You get all currency signals. You do not only get euro and the pound. Now, without wasting further time, thank you for watching these videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe, or refer someone else you know who should be part of this group. Now, see you tomorrow on the daily video. Without wasting time again, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for liking it, and make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you understand this kind of waves so that you can make money with them, as they are very simple to make money with if you are not emotionally attached to your trades. Now, without wasting time, trading involves a very significant high risk. So you have to have a very professional group of traders around you who will be helping you with how you should be doing trading, not how you want to do trading, because sometimes what you want to do in trading is not what the market allows you to do in trading. Just like last week, the CPI last week, we came here, but it was supposed to go here, and I did mention that I'm only looking for buying opportunities from this daily demand zone, which is the broken resistance turning support right there, and then the market shot straight up without giving us any problems. Now, make sure you like and subscribe, and if you want to receive all the market analysis of different pairs, please make sure you connect with me.